Top 5 Fry Pan. Number 5. GreenLife Ceramic Fry Pan Set. The GreenLife Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Frying Pan Set includes 7-inch and 10-inch pans designed for effortless cooking and cleanup. Featuring a toxin-free, ceramic non-stick coating derived from sand, these pans ensure healthy cooking and easy food release. The soft grip Bakelite handles stay cool for comfortable use, and the wobble-free bases provide strength and even heating. Made from 65% recycled aluminum, they are environmentally friendly. The rivetless interiors prevent food buildup, enhancing ease of cleaning. Suitable for all stovetops except induction, these pans are dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Blue Diamond Non-Stick Fry Pan. The Blue Diamond Non-Stick Frying Pan is a durable and efficient kitchen tool. Featuring a diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating that is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than traditional coatings, it ensures quick heating and easy cleanup. The pan is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, and is oven and broiler safe up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit. Its heavy-duty forged base prevents warping, while the riveted stainless steel handle offers a secure grip. Dishwasher safe and suitable for all stovetops except induction, this fry pan is both versatile and user-friendly. Number 3. T-fal Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set includes 10 and 12-inch pans designed for versatile and effortless cooking. With a durable hard anodized exterior and titanium non-stick coating, these pans ensure easy food release and quick cleanup. The thermospot technology signals optimal preheating for perfect results. Riveted silicone handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. These pans are oven and broiler safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stove tops, except induction. Ideal for a variety of recipes, the set combines superior heat distribution, deep vessel shapes, and comfortable handling for reliable performance. Number 2. CAROTE Non-Stick Fry Pan. The CAROTE Non-Stick Fry Pan features a non-stick granite material that is PFOS and PFOA-free, ensuring safer and healthier cooking. Its eco-friendly design facilitates easy cleaning with minimal carbon dioxide emissions and water use. Compatible with all stoves, including induction, it heats quickly and evenly due to its high magnetic conductive stainless steel base. This versatile pan requires less oil and produces less smoke, making it ideal for cooking eggs, omelets, or grilling with reduced fat intake and a cleaner kitchen environment. Number 1. Lodge Cast Iron Fry Pan. The Lodge Cast Iron Pre-Seasoned Fry Pan, featuring a signature teardrop handle, is a versatile kitchen tool suitable for the oven, stove, grill, or campfire. Made in the USA with iron and oil, it boasts a naturally seasoned, easy-release surface that improves with use. Lodge pre-seasons their cookware with 100% natural vegetable oil, ensuring no synthetic coatings. If rust appears, it's usually uncarbonized oil and can be easily fixed. Renowned for its heat retention and even cooking, this skillet is perfect for pan frying and roasting, making it a durable choice for beginners and chefs alike. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.